If you like the recipes, please click on like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications. Can you guess what I'm going to make with these ingredients today? I'm going to make pancakes. First, you will need 1 cup refined flour, 1 cup buttermilk, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons butter, some oil for cooking the pancakes, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda. I like topping my pancakes with butterscotch caramel. You can top it with jam, honey, blueberry sauce or whatever you like. We will add the dry ingredients first and the wet ingredients separately. Flour, sugar, baking soda, cinnamon powder, baking powder. We will just stir it together. Time to put our wet ingredients together. Melted butter. We will stir this together as well. We'll mix it all together so there are no lumps. This is the consistency we want. Time to cook our pancakes. It is nicely bubbling up. Let's flip it. It is browned evenly. Now I'm going to take it down. Now I'm going to drizzle it with some caramel. Time to eat it. It's the perfect pancake. Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.